Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you're learning Python and you need to know these tricks, these hacks will make your code faster, cleaner, and smarter. And I guarantee you'll use them every day because this trick is very simple and very useful. So let's get started. So first, you know that you can assign multiple variables in one line. Okay, what you do is that you just normally do like this way. If you don't know this method, you will do normally this way: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30. If you do this way, you have to use three lines to assign three variables. Okay, but you don't need to use this method. You should use this method if you are going to assign multiple variables. You need to assign, you need to use this method. Okay, this thing is very useful. So let me print it and see it will work or not. It will work. Okay, so this way you can assign multiple variables in one line. Number two is squaring, using map function. Okay, map function is very useful when you, like here, the we take a list and we going to square it in one line with the help of lambda function and map function. What map function do over here is that map function first take a function as a two argument. We take one function and another is iterable object. Iterable means a list and function is lambda function. If you pass two lists over here, you will see the output. It will square it in new list. You will see you create a new list and the square of the all values is over here. Okay, so number three is the get method in dictionaries. This is very useful method, get method. Okay, because when you're going to fetch any key values from a dictionary, so if the things are not present, if the key is not present in the dictionary, it will throw an error. But if you use get method, it will not throw any error. Okay, it will give you instead null. I will see over here. I just print age is 25, and if I pass randomly any value that not is over there, I just randomly and is coming out null. Okay, it does not throw any error. If you normally use key, so it will throw an error. Also you can print, like here print is none, but we are going to print it anything else, like and pass one not keep present. I print like this. So let me see the output. So what value you can pass any argument to if their key is not present if you use get method. Okay, I'll give you example. Like here you have a dictionary data and as a list names. There is a names method, present a lots of name, and the data dictionary is key and values. Okay, if I pass a for loop name in names, the if name dot get name no data. Okay, if I run this, you will see over here in David there is called no data because David is not present in the data dictionary. In list has David, but in the dictionary there is no David name. That's why is pass it no data like this above. Okay, this way it will actually work. It will very helpful if you are going to do any task like this. And if you have a data is not present, it will not throw any error. You will normally use it get. Okay, you fetch any value from the dictionary. Number four is one liner if else statement. Like this way we will use if else condition. Here use four lines. Okay, four or three lines: age and then nature status and minor and last we print it. But here you know that you can do this in online like this. You called a take a variables called status and assign the condition in the status variable. So adult if age is greater than equal to 18, okay, or else minor. You'll see the print it. So age is 18, so it will show over here. Adult, I'll just 16 print minor. Okay, this way you can actually write one line if else condition. It is very useful when you're going to do any project. You need one simple line, so that's why you can use this one line if else condition using arg in function. Arg is very important. You can pass as many as argument in a function. You don't need to fix parameter. Okay, like we pass a number of numbers of tuple numbers, lots of number to sum this. So let me print this. So sum is 15. Okay, you can use as many as pass argument in arg method. You don't need to use arg. You can use anything like k also you can use. I'll pass k here or here. It will actually it will also work. It will also, you don't need to all the time give arg names. You can use any names. You have to just use this star. Okay. Number 6 is using sorted and custom sorting. You can also use your custom sorting like over here. Here is a list of tuples we take over here, and I'm going to sort it with respect to age. How can I do this? There is a two value aligns name and age, so I'm going to sort it with respect to age. How can I do this? I'm do this using lambda function. Okay, this is a sorted method. Sorted students, I take the pass the iterable object, iterables like a list of tuple, and function key I pass the in the key in function lambda function. So lambda function 1 means it will 0 1 aligns 0 index and 25 age is 1 index, so it will 0 and 1, so I pass 1. I'll you sort it based on the age. So let me print this. You'll see 22 25 20 30. It will sort it with respect to age. This is very useful function. If you use key any, you can also pass length also. Okay, many way you can use this. I'll see this. I'll just copy it and let me see it. And another thing I'll show you that I'm not passing any function over here. I just pass length. Will it work or not? Let me see. It will sort with respect to length of the index. Okay, like the index of the 3 index, length 3 and length 5, it will come over here with respect to length of the string. If you pass length, okay, this is very useful. You can pass key as any function or any length or anything. Number 7 is set. You can remove duplicate with the help of set function. Okay, I just print it. You see that there is a duplicate value 2 times 2 for 2 times 4, but you can easily in one line you can remove all duplicate values using set. What you have to do is that first you have to convert the list in set, and then again you have to convert the set into a list. Okay, like this. If you don't understand this, you just normally do is that n is equal to set numbers and print n, and then we m is equal to list n, print m. We'll see what actually happened. We'll see in second is print n is set, this is set, and later we convert it a list. What we actually do in one line, I list first set then list. I will do this in online. You can do this way also. You can prefer any way. So this is the tricks you should know, and this is very important for you to know these tricks. If you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any confusion, please let me in the comment section. Thank you.